In this video, I want to demonstrate the microphonic effects of tubes. Let's try and take 3 different ECC81s in exactly the same setup. This is a little amplifier with a lot of gain, and I have a speaker set up right next to the camera so we can hear exactly what is going on. So first, I'll take a very good ECC81 that is not microphonic at all. Let's try and hear the result. So this is clip number 2, or experiment number 2, ECC81, another one of the random tubes from my collection. And you can actually hear the microphonic weakly in this one. So let's be quiet and listen really careful. Last experiment of today. This is the last ECC81, and this one is crazy microphonic. So parts just not sticking to any of the holders at the top, and they're moving around inside the tube. And everything is exactly the same in all the 3 clips, with the microphones and speakers and volume and gain. Everything is exactly the same.